hiring for more than 500 data science employees, or you can say data science aspirants, a master's degree from US universities as well. So there is that opportunity, and it is completely sponsored by the company. You don't have to pay anything. So the job details: position is data scientist, salary package 2 to 16 LPA. This is for India. Let me tell you, this is for India, not for USA. For USA, from third year onwards, you are going to earn a lot, huge. I will go to the detail. Year one, you will get up to INR 2.4 lakhs. Then year two, 5.2 to 6 lakhs. That is definitely good. Get a master's degree. Along with this, you will get a master's degree from the partner university in the USA. Now year three, you will be earning 8.4 lakhs per annum, year four, 12 lakhs per annum, and year five, 14 lakhs per annum. And when you will be promoted as a senior data scientist, your salary will be 16.5, which is awesome. You will get 600 USD, US dollars per month, plus health insurance by the company. And you will get associated with the university in US. Okay, you will study there. Along with that, you have seen 20 hours of work on the project, and you will get USD 600 per month. Okay. And along with that, they will pay the EMI for the university course. Okay. And in year three, USD 60,000 to USD 75,000 per annum, which is awesome, which is huge, really huge. From third year onwards, you will start earning around 50 lakhs in INR. I'm telling 50 lakhs per annum. Okay.